Hello, this is Claude here in Brisbane, and I'm going to be helping you how to create a story in the software called Vidtoon that's getting released on the 20th of April. But before I show you how to do that, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel because I've got lots of other videos that are on this channel, as well as I come out with new updates of products, how to use them that could potentially be helpful to you. So kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can benefit from these updates. So what you see here on the screen is a background image of a child in at home with a nurse attending, and I also created an animation here with this nurse by flagging it. And the way to do that is to click this the move to A to B function. When you click this flag, when you first click this flag will appear on the person itself. Drag and drop the flag to where you want the animation to move to, and that's how you get the person to be animated in your animation videos. Now we're going to build out on this. This little child is asleep here with the nurse looking after it, but we want to show what it looks like outside this room out there. So we're going to pick this scene for this example and drag and drop it to the timeline where you're allowed to place the backgrounds. And by pulling, you can either extend this timeline this way, or you can go to the settings and change the duration of the timeline here. So you got two choices. So once you've got that on, you've got another scene now. So if you play this, you'll see how the scene will change. And now what we notice that this background only fits part of the screen. So I'm going to move it right to the extreme top, and then using my cursor here, pull it down to the bottom where it fits the complete screen. So now you've got a transition. If I move the timeline there, you see how it moves here. Another way to do this, another thing to do this is to click on the transition here and see. We want it to disappear in a fade out situation. So I want this to fade out. So let's play this video again and see what happens by fading out. See, it fades out gradually. Now here in this timeline, you could add characters. You could add another character. You could add this lady, employee female lady, coming into the scene. There she is, or this move her till about here. You can add a number of characters. You can drag and drop her onto the timeline here, somewhere here, and you could size her. So that's the appropriate size for this house. Maybe she's too big for this position here. So you can move her small, and then you can place her somewhere here on the screen. Maybe just, and then what we can do is we can go to the settings tab. We still selected her, so she's selected. Go to the settings tab and move to A to B. So you got then we can move it till here. So what happens is, now when you play this video, let's see what happens. You can see her moving to the front door. Okay, now this is how you could add a storyline that this lady is coming to see the kid in the house, and you can build out storylines. In the next video I'll have call outs or voiceovers, and we'll talk about that. So to just summarize, what we did here is we built on the first slide of the nurse and the child to employee coming over to the house to give something to the family here. So if you like these videos, please subscribe and like the video as well. I really appreciate that, and look forward to my next training video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.